Hi everyone, it is time for your very first bit of we're not going to call it homework, we're going to call it class projects. They're here to, you can ignore them, you totally can, but it will really help you solidify what we've learnt, and my goal is so that you can create something through this course that is unique from the course material that I'm making, okay, that is great for your own portfolio. Okay, so the first one is to create your own brief. So we saw in the last video that I made a brief. Where is my brief? So that's my one. What I want you to do is go to this website that we've just created here. Okay, so randomprojectgenerator.com. Okay, I want you to enter your last name or your pet's name. Okay, or a friend's last name, somebody's name. Okay, for the company, and enter your location. And Rio was where I was born. You can put in, Ireland as a country. If you're in a big country, put in your state or town, whatever it is. Okay, so and then click Generate My Project. Okay, make sure you're on the UX UI tab there and click Generate My Project, and you should get something unique for you. Okay, so I've got shadow surfboards. Ooh, it's kind of cool. Okay, and so this gets randomly generated. Do not hit retry. The red button is red. I just want you to pick the first one you got, even if you're like, okay. Some of the more tricky objects, okay, and tricky personas is one of those things that will really help build you as a designer. Okay, don't hit it. And yeah, have a little read through. So you're going to get something unique, and it's going to be unique in some ways, as in the company name and the product, but the actual thing we'll build together will all be the same kind of structure. So we'll follow the same task flow. You're going to use homepage, product features, checkout, and confirmation, whatever the product is. And it just means though that when you do start following along, okay, we're still going to draw a button and it's still going to say learn more, but you're going to be using colors that are good for your persona. When I say bring in an image, instead of bringing in headphones, you're going to bring in surfboards or whatever your product is. Okay, you're still going to have an image in a circle. So they're going to have the same structure, but at least at the end, you're going to have something kind of unique for your own portfolio. Plus, it's going to get you thinking about your own persona and how you might kind of design for them. Get the idea? So follow along in this course, but using your own company name, okay, which I'll get you to make a little bit later on, and picking your own images and colors for that brand. So once you've done it, you either take a screenshot of it or copy it to clipboard or download it as a PNG and just store it away on your computer or your phone, ready for later in the course. We're gonna put them together on a kind of a brief and task flow page later on. Another thing I want you to do, so we've got our kind of company name and persona. So you've downloaded it, copied it to clipboard, something. You've got it somewhere stored away. Let's bring in the task flow as well, because we're all using the same one. So it's gonna allow me to show you something strange, weird. I don't know, interesting for Figma. Figma really wants everything to be in the cloud online. Okay, so go back to your kind of home page, or if you're on a PC, go to the little Figma icon, go to the one that says, it's about here, it says go to files or something similar. Be on your drafts, and if you want to import a Figma file, okay, rather than it being shared with you, you see this little icon up here? It's import. Look for that icon. It has moved around in the past. Give it a click. Okay, and in your exercise files, there's one called taskflow.fig. Okay, load that in there and we'll use that later on as well. You can open it, have a look. Okay, basically it is just our task flow. Okay, and we'll copy and paste that and combine it later in the course. But you've got your task flow, you have got your own brief, or at least persona and name, and you're ready to carry on. So go do that as homework, and I will see you in the next video.